Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN, I'm your host P Fire, aka pluck up the courage and call her. Oh god, it gets worse. Anyway, this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know how we do. I'm gonna go around camera, come back in, and we gonna get into it like what? Like we getting into it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Wow. I'm back in. I'm back in. Alright guys. Listen, I've come round. I'm back in the spotlight. Let me move these tags out of the way. You know the tags would be the bane of our lives always. Anyway, let me pull this down and show you what I've won. So guys, as usual, let me give you the little close-up. Let me give you the little twirl to the RJ, give you a little close-up as usual. Let me start from here. Boom. So today guys, we have this beautiful, resplendent, would you say forest green? No, I wouldn't. I'd say kind of mint green, Stone Island sweater. And this is just not just your usual Stone Island sweater. This is from the, you know, 40th anniversary range, you know, the range that is so maligned and people are not really loving. You see the 22 right there. Yeah, it's from that range. Again, I wasn't a big fan of all the pieces. There's been some great pieces. Obviously, you know, you've got the 40th Annie jacket that came out, the yellow, super nice. You've just got that new 40th anniversary sort of glow in the dark one. The jacket's okay, but I want it for the badge, not the jacket, so I didn't buy it. But there's a few bits, and there's a few bits like the sweats, which are very, very nice. I'm not really feeling those really thin sort of candy like jackets that are costing like $1,000 and it's like see-through. I'm not really feeling that, but anything functional and, you know, has purchase, I'm involved. All right guys, let's not waste any time, let's get into it. Obviously you see my waist is there. This comes down just below the waist. Let's look at the cuffages. You've got that nice ribbed cuffage as Stone Island like to do. Again, very thinly ribbed as always. Couple fingers in there as you do. Boom, boom, boom. Say no more, say no more. Equilibrium saying beautiful thing. Left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, it's a little bit short from the wrist there, but I can't remember what size I picked this up in. I might have picked this up in a medium. So yeah, but very nice, fits really nice, feels soft, smooth to the touch, smoother than Keith Sweat in 1988 singing make it last forever and never. Too much? Anyway guys, super nice, super smooth. Let me give you a little turn around. As you can see right there, you know, nice little touches right there. Let me show you there. Can you see the 82 to 22? So 82 to 22, 1982 Stone Island started, 2022 is where we are now. So obviously that's giving you that 40-year loving. Now if you look close, you see this is a nice little touch. You see that embroidered Stone Island right there? Very reminiscent of the old style stuff where they used to sort of use this font and embroider it on. Super nice. Loving this. Now this is in a resplendent green guys, and this is in a new color. As you can see, I've switched magically into a new color. This is kind of like a grey, browny kind of thing. Let me just give you the little twirlage. The eagle eye amongst you might have noticed that this is huge. This is a big, I think this is a double XL. Now, you're asking me, why have you bought something so big? Well, my daughter likes to steal my clothes sometimes, so she can easily borrow this. But also, I sometimes wear baggy rather than the slim fitted fit. And sometimes, you know, if you wear a slim fitted jumper with baggy jeans, you're gonna look stupid. So sometimes you need the tops to match the bottoms, aka baggy top, baggy jeans, slim top, slim jeans, you know. Otherwise you start looking a bit weird, kind of like I do now. But yeah guys, exactly the same jumper. You see the non-special in all its specialness right there. Right here you've got the 82-22 right there. Super nice. This bit is super stretchy, by the way. That little middle bit, you know, just helps you get in a bit more. As you can see, stretcher. Same goes for the other side, because equilibrium is a beautiful thing. So yeah, this is just a nice grey, browny, whatever you want to call it, slightly mauve version of the green one. Really nice, much baggier. You can put your whole hands in there, as you can see. Yeah, super dope, man. Guys, which one is your favorite? Do you prefer the green? And I'll show you the green right here. Do you prefer the green, or do you prefer the brown? I'm kind of, let me just show you that. I really like the green, but I also love the way this brown sits, because it's very, you know, it's loose, it's big, it's nice, it's dope. Yeah, I kind of like that. Like I've got a, you know, I kind of started embracing my 1993 to 98, 2000 self, where I used to wear much baggier clothes, you know, them times there. So I kind of getting back into wearing a bit more baggier stuff. So I do love this one. Stone Island right there in embroidery, as said before. Guys, thank you as always for watching. You already know what this has been. This has been nice bit of kit that I've just shown you. 2 Stone Island 8222 sweatshirts in a green and this color right here. And guys, I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for practically perfect in every single way. Just call me Poppins, you know what I mean? Phoenix Poppins. Anyway guys, let me know your thoughts. Which ones do you prefer? Do you like either? Are you getting more jumpers into your wardrobe? Is that a thing you even think of? Let me know guys, leave your comments down below. As always, I appreciate you. I'm gonna see you on the flip side, and let's keep it trill. Mad love gang. Peace.